Today we will learn to write multiplication table of 8. Table of 8. 8. Ones are 8. 8. Ones are 8. 8. Twos are 16. 8. Twos are 16. 8. Threes are 24. 8. Threes are 24. 8. Fours are 32. 8. Fours are 32. 8. Fives are 40. 8. Fives are 40. 8. Sixes are 48. 8. Sixes are 48. 8. Sevens are 56. 8. Sevens are 56. 8. Eights are 64. 8. Eights are 64. 8. Nines are 72. 8. Nines are 72. 8. Tens are 80. 8. Tens are 80. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.